So guys, if you've ever wondered how much beard oil you should be using on your marvelous beards, then this video is for you. We're just going to break it down very simply, very quickly, just to tell you everything you need to know. So I would always say start off by seeing what the brand of the beard oil you are using recommends. It's normally on the bottle or it might be on their website, and they'll probably say anywhere between 2 to 6 drops regardless of the oil. The only problem is you don't know what sort of beards they've tested that beard oil on. It might be for a very short beard, the 2 drops, and the 6 drops might be for a very long beard. And unless you know, you could end up with either a very under-oiled or very over-oiled beard. So I would say always start off with the minimum amount a beard care company suggests. Let's say it's 2. I think most of them do say just put a couple of drops in your hands and massage it through. Do that. But for example, for someone like me, so this is my beard right now after about 30 weeks. Yes, I know this is week 28, but I've not had a chance to record for a few weeks, so we're just skipping it, but still doing the content. But I use probably 6 to 8 drops, dependent on whether it's a lighter or a heavier beard oil. And that kind of has to be in the back of your mind. You need to work out what type of beard oil you are using. If it's a very light one, you might need to use a bit more. If it's a heavy one, you might need to use a little bit less. So just experiment. Start off with the smallest amount of beard oil you can use, and if the brand doesn't say anything whatsoever, just do 1 drop at a time. Do 1 drop, or work it in between your hands, or apply it directly to the beard and work it in, massage it in, and just up the amount 1 drop at a time. And when you find something that works, just make a note of that. Just stick into your notes on your phone. You know exactly how many drops of beard oil from that specific beard oil you need to use every single time. Job done. Just follow that. Don't worry about how many other drops other people use. You'll see some people writing, they use 30 drops, they use 20 drops, they use 10 drops, they use 1 drop. Just do whatever works for you. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching once again. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.